The city of Fort Myers says questions have still not been answered on if a luxury Fort Myers apartment complex site is sitting on possible Native American burial grounds.
Fox 4's Keenan Scott told you back on the Fox 4 News at 5 that Fort Myers mayor does expect an update tomorrow, and the city telling Keenan that much of this has to do with a study the developers held.
Nadine Chris, the city spokesperson, says that the developer of the property that you're looking at has not made an archaeological study pertaining to the property available to the public. Now, as you might recall, the city had a city meeting about 2 weeks ago where they discussed the property, and this came after Florida's Division of Historical Resources sent a letter to the city. It said that if any human remains are discovered on the property, then all project activity must stop immediately. Now, for context, the city says the North Carolina developer Zimmer Development has gone through all the proper permitting to get this new complex built. And here's what a Florida Atlantic University archaeologist was asking 2 weeks ago. Again, this remains unanswered.
The reason why I'm here today is because I want to know what your response has been or the steps that will be taken to remedy this situation.
Now, my calls to both the developer and the Florida Division of Historical Resources have not yet returned my calls. Again, as I said in the 5 o'clock, Mayor Anderson is being briefed on this and will give an official response tomorrow. I'm going to be working on this story in the coming days. For now, in Fort Myers, Keenan Scott, Fox 4.